When VPN ports are exposed to the open internet, attackers come knocking. Brute force attempts, automated scans. They don't ask for permission. DrayTek's Port Knocking keeps your VPN ports hidden and silent. Unauthorized traffic gets no reply. No open doors, no weaknesses exposed. But for those authorized to connect, the right sequence holds the key. Smart VPN clients generate time-based one-time passwords, creating a dynamic knock code. It's never the same, and it's never guessable. The correct knock reaches your Vigor router and the port quietly unlocks. Secure, silent, seamless. Your VPN tunnel activates. Only for you. No noise, no exposure, no brute force threats. Port knocking is now available on DrayTek routers supporting the latest 4.4.5 or later firmware release, expanding protection to more models in your network. Compatible across Windows, Android, and iOS with smart VPN clients. Protect what matters without revealing where it lives. Stay hidden. Stay protected. Stay connected with DrayTek.